So here in this video, we will see that why the line tester doesn't work in DC supply. So what is the reason behind it? Let's talk about it without wasting much time. So basically, there are three main reasons behind this concept. The first reason is insufficient voltage. That is, the neon lamp requires a minimum voltage that is around 80 volt to 100 volt to ionize and glow. Because of this insufficient voltage in DC supply, it could not work properly. The second reason is that no capacitive return paths. In AC, the tester functions by a small AC current flowing through the user's body to ground due to alternating polarity. Because DC doesn't alternate, this capacitive current path is not created. So that's the second reason. The third reason is lack of ground reference. So AC systems are referenced to a grounded neutral by allowing a circuit to form. But in DC circuit, they are often isolated from earth. It means there is no ground reference to complete the circuit. So that was the three main reason behind why the line tester doesn't work in DC supply.